This is a tutorial on how to find your topographic map online. I'm Chelsea Leachman. I'm a librarian in Owen Science and Engineering Library where the map room is located. Most maps are available online if they're within the United States. However, if you're unable to find your map online or if it's a unique situation with an international location, please stop by Owen Library Access Services and ask for a librarian to help you with that. Now to get started finding your map online, you want to locate the USGS store. You can do this using an internet search engine or by the web address, the store.usgs.gov. Once you click on the USGS store, you'll get to the USGS general site. To find your maps free without having to pay for them, you want to go up to this top link, the map locator and downloader, in the top left-hand corner. And when you get to the map locator and downloader, this will default to the 30-minute and larger. For your assignment in Geology 101, you want to change that to 7.5 and 15-minute map is the size that you're going to need. Now you can go ahead and zoom in on the map so you can get closer to your location, or you can also search. And for today's search, I'm going to use Crater Lake, Oregon. I want to put the state in there as well because it might want to find some other Crater Lake areas. You can do it by address or by USGS map name if you're familiar with that. So if you go ahead and search, it zoomed in on the national park. And look at that, it reset to 30-minute and larger, so go ahead and change that to 7.5 and 15. These are going to be much smaller maps. Each square on this map represents the paper map, and then you're going to see the name within the middle of the map, the yellow highlighted name. That is actually the name of the map. So whether you're finding it online or you need to come to the library to find your map, go ahead and write this name down. You're also going to use it for citation information. But if you are coming into the library to find the physical copy of your map, this is the starting point to that. You need to write down the name of your map. All right, so I zoomed in on my location. I'm going to choose Crater Lake West as my location. And once you've located the square in which your map exists, or your location where your pictures are, you want to go over to this right-hand side, so you have the navigate, but you actually want to put in mark points. And once you have a mark point, you can go ahead and click on your map and you're going to get a bubble. Now that you have this little bubble, you can go ahead and click on it, and you're going to get quite a few options in here. We know we want the 7.5 by 7.5 grid. You're probably going to choose the most current one. It says Crater Lake West Topo, which is the map we're looking for. And then it gives you three different options. You can do the view. You actually want to do the download option. And then this third column is actually the purchasing option, which is not what we are looking for because you are able to download this. All right, so once you click on this, it should start to download. There we go. Once the map is downloaded, you can go ahead and click on the file that it's downloaded, and it downloads in a PDF format, so you can go ahead and open your map. And then this is what the topographic map looks like. And topo maps show the different elevations within an area. So the closer the lines are together, the steeper it is. And so this is quite a steep hill right here. Also, when it default opens, it's going to be zoomed out, which you can get some information to begin with. So at the bottom, for citation information, you're going to need the map name, which is actually Crater Lake West. And then you're also going to need the the person who made or people who have designed this map, which is usually at the bottom. Left-hand corner is a good place to start to look for that. Also what date it was printed. So there's another tutorial on formatting and printing your map, so go ahead and take a look at that on how to actually get this in a printable format. You're going to need to print the area in which your picture is from, because you are unable to print this whole map on one piece of paper. That's not the level or scale that the assignment calls for. Also, you will need to print the scale at the bottom and then know which way north is on your map. Because this is only at 44% zoom, and you will want to zoom in to 100%. to be able to read the individual lines and the elevations. So now that you have found your topographic map, save it to your computer. Also keep it for future reference. There are 2 other tutorials, how to find your geologic map online, and then how to format to print both your topographic and your geologic map.